So how do you disable the open and goal on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you're starting a workout on the watch, you can see that we have multiple different workout types, but by default, it usually gives me the open and goal type, right? And if I don't like that, I can tap on the three dots next to it and just change a different goal for the workout, right? So you can see I can change it from the open to the time goal or a distance if it's a running or like distance based workout, or I can even go for the calories goal, right? So it doesn't matter which option I go with. I mean, it doesn't mean that I have to stick with the open goal. As you can see, plenty of other options are available in here as well, right? So I would just recommend you to explore those options. There are plenty of different workout types and workout goals, which you can also customize. So that's how it works. Outside of that, we also have the goals within like the main fitness application, but this is for the calorie, exercise, and stand goal, and you can customize those by tapping on the plus and minus button in the bottom right corner. So this just lets us change the goal for the day or for the general daily goal, right? And it will also just make sure that you adjust it to your preferences. So in case there is something very specific which I didn't cover in this video, most definitely let me know about that by subscribing and letting the comment there so I can read it, and perhaps I'll make an updated video about it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in those tutorials.